So if you're in the Geelong region, get yourself to Eastern Beach, the people's playground. It's a great place to be. And then walk right along the waterfront. Beautiful spot. I am in the beautiful city of Geelong, Victoria, Australia, and behind me is the most wonderful Eastern Beach. It's down there with swimming pools, sea bath, it's protected from sharks. Got a promenade, all in 1930s Art Deco architecture style. It is amazing. See behind me. Let's go for a walk down there and have a look. Eastern Beach was developed and built in the 1930s, showcasing this stunning classic 1930s Art Deco architecture. I absolutely love this architecture. It's heritage protected and well cared for by the City of Geelong. Geelong is 70 kilometres, 1 hour from Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, on the shores of Corio Bay. This fountain features storks on dragon turtles. Storks represent immortality, and the turtle is a symbol of stability and long life. The statues here are a replica of the original Japanese statues made of bronze, which are now kept in the Geelong Botanical Gardens, just a 5-minute walk from here. So you can come down the steps all the way down the hill, or there's plenty of ramps up and down the hills too. Easy access. This was known as the People's Playground. There used to be tramways in Geelong until 1956, and you could get a tram here too. But it's only a 10-minute walk from the centre of Geelong shops and business district. So we have a cafe here, and the seagulls are getting in there too, seeing what they can find. Art Deco buildings house the Pavilion Cafe and restaurant, and the bathrooms and shower facilities. The children's pool is now enclosed with a glass safety fence. So we've got the children's pool and the sea bath with a bit of a beach. The sea bath is shark proof. There is a cage all the way around it. Access for prams and wheelchairs here. Let's go see the beach. Today is quite cool. However, in the summer, on a hot day, this beach and the sea baths are absolutely full of people. There are lifeguards at peak times on patrol here. The water is clean and it's shallow at the shore. There's a gradual increase in depth, and by halfway out there, it's a couple of metres deep and you can't touch the bottom. It's much deeper at the swimming lanes and the diving tower. Lots of space for picnics and barbecues and playing. You can see the shark cage that keeps you safe in the sea bath there. Let's go walk the promenade. This is a very popular place to walk. It's open 24 hours a day and free of charge. There's 2 levels of the boardwalk and plenty of steps to help you get in and out of the water. Well, most people jump in, but you can get out. No fishing allowed from this promenade. No swimming outside the enclosure.
Exactly. If we remove that, it makes it even harder. So I get that.
This is full of people on a hot day. There are lifeguards out here too at peak times. Got lap swimming here beneath the diving board. In hot weather, this diving tower is full of people, mainly teenagers, jumping off, having a great time. They have now closed the highest level. There's no access up there anymore. And there is discussion of closing this tower altogether, which would be very sad. They have recently removed the smaller diving boards from these small jetties. And years ago, they took away the slides that used to be on the centre platform out there. They were great fun. There is not usually a boat here. I have never seen a boat in here before. I think they've been doing some maintenance. They're getting ready for the summer season. So these boards have plaques on them with names. In the early 1990s, at 93, it was restored. Partly funded by government and partly funded by the public. And people could buy a board, donate money, and they got their name on the plaque here. So there's different prices for different length boards, so the long boards and the short boards down there. All got plaques on them too. And some have been replaced, but the plaques remain. There is a great playground here, very popular with families for the kids all times of the year and weather. So much fun and love around here. It's friendly, it's safe, it just got a great vibe. Everyone's just here for a happy time. People enjoying the outdoors. The Waterfront Express train runs along the footpath between Eastern Beach here and the carousel at the end of Mirabel Street. Here it comes. With a Thomas tank engine face. Return tour is $10. It's a 3-kilometre trip, 20-minute return, 10 minutes each way. So if you're in the Geelong region, get yourself to Eastern Beach, the People's Playground. It's a great place to be. And then walk right along the waterfront. Beautiful spot. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so you can bookmark me and find me again. Stay safe and enjoy the journey, every moment of it.